What is happening, boys and girls? Jim here, you know the channel name. It is a Monday morning, right around 1 o'clock in the morning, March 28th, 2022, and we are out on the adventure course with the Kyosho Midnight Blizzard and the Kyosho Trail King, getting ready to take these guys out for a second run. I did another run previously, and everything was just frozen solid, and we were ice skating everywhere we went. But we just got a couple inches of fresh powder, so we're going to take these guys back out on the adventure course and see how they do. Both vehicles are equipped with Traxxas Titan 18-turn 380 motors, along with Traxxas 1/16 scale slash 18-tooth pinion gears, which are 48 pitch with a 2.31 millimeter bore, and they are both running on dual WL Toys 10428 and 2S lipos. So two 2S lipos out of a WL Toys 10428. Midnight Blizzard rolling in. Coming into the first hill. Gotta head over towards the frog pond and maybe take a different way in here since everything's covered in snow. Getting stuck on the fence. Adjusting my angle. Tight fit. Dropping down in. Hit one of my tracks. The walls are starting to collapse in here, or the sides are starting to collapse a little bit. Bridge has been in place for several years now. Probably going on winter number 4 or winter number 5, I believe. We have a nice little snow drift to climb up out of coming back out of here. Sorry about filming at night. Our daytime temperatures are just far too warm to get out and run these vehicles. A little bit too slushy. Approaching the over-under brick bridge. Pretty significant drop going down into there. Yeah, I bumped my controller. Changing locations and my truck took off. So let's see how this goes. Not too bad dropping in. Try to crawl back out. Yeah, piece of cake. Bypassing the rocky incline. I'm kind of on it right now. Sorry about the far off views, trying to give you guys some scale of things. Oh, track light. Oh, and down in between the railroad ties. Might be a no-go situation here. Minor adjustment. Bottle persuasion. Getting down to that railroad tie. Oh, you blasted it. Making good work of those 380s. And now we're coming up to the steep brick hill and rocky bypass and all that other good nonsense over here on the back edge of the track. For those who are used to seeing this course in the summertime, I'm currently sitting on one of those bypass trails. So technically speaking, there's a vertical wall in front and behind my vehicle. Oh, landscape light. Now my Kyosho Blizzard with that Midnight Pumpkin body on there, just a wee bit heavier than my brother's Kyosho Trail King. Heavy hard plastic body versus polycarbonate or Lexan. Making a mess of this hill for you, Ian. Oh, a little sideways over there. Now, normally in the summer months we wouldn't be climbing on this half of the hill. That's not part of the course technically. The course goes around this side right here, and that's a pretty steep dirt wall on that side. Right where my vehicle is sitting currently is a little cut through bypass trail that goes in between this road and this hill over here, and there is a vertical wall on each side, little retaining wall on each side, which is right around 8 to 10 inches tall. So driving on compacted snow leading up to the hill, dirt, gravelly faced hill with rocks buried on top. So normally, once again, we wouldn't be on this side of the hill. Want to give it a shot there, Ian?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yep. Oh, landscape light. Yeah, it disappeared. Now my brother's still getting used to driving the Snowcat.
A little icy.
Yeah, it is a little bit icy underneath that snow. Last time we were out here, once again, everything was frozen. Oh, you got it. And the landscape light, too. Give me something to get traction off of. All right, let's see here. Oh. Back into the fence. Yeah, my Blizzard is just a little bit heavier. That hard plastic body. There we go.
There it is.
Let's do a little 180 and come back down the side. The Night Blizzard. Kyosho Trail King. Yeah, a little bit of a drift going up around those rocks. Could be interesting. Slow and steady process, exposing some rocks over there. Ooh, a little rough. Alright, made it. Combination of throttle and crawling. Go 380s, go. Rapid change of direction. That was full tilt. First time I had it wide open with that 18-tooth spinning gear on there. Seems a bit quieter, really. Go ahead and rip it up a couple times. Is that wide open? Oh yeah. Camera went out of focus. Alright, continuing along. I kinda want to goof around for another minute. Different angle and everything. Terrible it is. Nighttime. Oh! That's a rock wall. Vertical. Whoa! It's a rock wall. Vertical. Midnight blizzard. Missing the bridge. Oh! Just missed the heater totter. That is a big rock I'm stuck on. Yeah, watch out for that rock. Oh yeah, I'm wedged on that thing. Oh, it's a landscape light. I have my track wrapped around it. That's funny. Oh, new scratches on the old body. They're doing them long. Dropping down into the dugout corner. Could be dangerous. Nice little drift leaning into the dirt bank. If I get off that edge, I might fall into the wall. Yep, sliding off. Point and shoot technique. Be careful on that edge. Approaching the collapse cabin. Open over the roof. Oh, plastic tracks on logs. Not a good combination. Change up our angle a little bit here. See what we're looking at. Oh, that is violent. I don't think we're going to be doing that again. Let's bypass old stuff. Take the road around it. There goes your light bar. Back on again. Oh, I took that a little bit tighter than I wanted to. Oh, you too. Up and over the sand hill, which is currently covered in snow. Make our way through here. The vehicle's going to drop down underneath the log bridge. Thanks for the moral support. Yeah, I don't know. I think we're just going to do damage at this point. Looks like I found a vertical wall there. Coming out of a footprint or what? Oh, the log. This one's a tough obstacle in the summertime. Technically off of the road. Reset. Pretty good incline right there on that one. Like looking through the camera. It's fake when you're not looking through the camera. Making our approach to the over-under rock bridge, log bridge area. We're going to go for the rock bridge. A little bit wider. Yeah, I'm on the far side, aren't I? Driving through the camera. Depth perception. I don't want to fall off that edge. Cleaning off the bridge a little bit. Oh, almost fell off the edge. Yeah, dangerous game there. Perfect. I'm hugging the corner a little bit tight. Oh, on a log. Yeah, there is frozen logs buried underneath all that snow. Making our way back out towards the podium. And that is going to do it, boys and girls. Very much appreciated for y'all sticking around and watching the video. First good run that we've had with the Kyosho Trail King and the old Midnight Blizzard after doing the mods to both of these vehicles. Last time we were out here, it was like a skating rink. Trucks were slipping and sliding everywhere they went. This time, a little bit better. We got some powder on the ground. Currently snowing like mad. A good northern Michigan blizzard going on up here. Just snowing like mad. So perfect conditions for both vehicles. But very much appreciated for y'all sticking around and watching the video. As always, questions and comments are always welcome. And we will see you all on the next one. Thanks again. Dirt mound, frozen over. Whoa! That's some good wheelie action there, man. Too bad it's snowing like mad. Probably didn't catch it on camera. The things we do off camera. Oh, I didn't catch it coming off the back edge. Alright, I'm okay. Nose dive. You don't see what's on the other side of the wall here, man. It's like a little drop off on the back edge here. Camera's all tripping out trying to focus in on it.
Yeah.
Oh, you almost got me. Yeah, I did a 180 off that little rocky section there.
Whoa.
Whoa, I'll fall over.
I see.
Deep snow.
Yeah.
Let me take a look at your transmitter. Is it all covered in snow?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
You can't even see it.
Mine looks the same. Exact same way. Are you enjoying your 18 turn Traxxas 380s?
Oh, yeah, it's so good.
Dual battery
Really
setup?
good.
That's
Way
good.
better than what it was.
I can't even, the camera's just not even focusing in on it. I take my glove off or something, it's probably just covered in water. Yeah, I'm sure my lens is covered in snow. My camera is not waterproof. Yeah, it's like a drop off. Camera does not want to focus in on nothing, especially with all that snow. Freaking out. Yeah, just goofing around afterwards. I didn't know what I was going into, but I was going full throttle.
Yeah. And the two full throttle.
Yeah, that'll happen.
Did a wheelie outward.
Watch out for you, man. Stay off the sidewalk. Love seeing the snow flying up off the tracks. Getting everybody seasick. Yeah, that thing boogies now.
Oh, yeah, okay. That's something else.
Yeah, definitely not any faster or slower than mine. All reality, mine should be a little bit slower having that heavier hard plastic body on there. Still moves around pretty good though.
You're dragging a stick with you.
Once again, I love this midnight pumpkin body on the Blizzard.
That was good on that.
Yeah, that's a good fit. And dragging a stick. Man, I got that thing wedged in there good. Throw it back out in the trail so we can snag it again. Yeah, I love this midnight pumpkin body, man. It sits on there so well. The lights look great. They sit up at the perfect level for blasting through snowbanks. Looks like a set of cop flashers. All right, let's get out of here. I dug a huge hole there, man.
Wow.
A giant rut. And that's going to do it, everyone. Very much appreciated for y'all sticking around and watching the video, and we will see you all on the next one. Thanks again.